Hi everyone, this is Brock Baird. I am the art director here at Levrets Ink Custom Screen Printing here in Abilene, Texas. And I just wanted to take a little bit of time today to show you how to use our online design studio on our website. I know some people may be kind of intimidated by technology or just not know we even have it. So I wanted to take this time to show you how easy it is to use and all the different things you can do with it, and just to kind of get you a little more familiar with our online design studio. So we will go ahead and get started here. So the first thing you want to do is go to our website, levretsinc.com. And if you haven't had a chance to look at our website, please do. There's a lot of really cool stuff on here. But that's for a different video. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up to here where it says Design Studio and click on that. And this will take you over to, of course, our design studio. Design your own shirt. Wow. Okay, cool. So, and then this right here is our actual design studio. So if you want to choose from a template, you can. If you've already logged in and you have some saved art, you can click right here to view that saved art. Or if you just want to start with a blank canvas, you can start with a blank canvas. We're going to do a blank canvas today. The design templates, they're nice if you just want something quick and easy. But I like to be a little more personal with my design, so we'll go ahead and start with that. And so this is what this looks like. This is kind of your blank canvas. So we have our print locations over here, front, back, right sleeve. If you want to have a right sleeve, you can also choose left sleeve. And then what we'll do is first thing you'll do is you're going to select your product. What kind of shirt do you want? The shirt we have selected right now is the Gildan G5000 100% cotton shirt, starting at $6 a shirt. We have Bella Canvas, which is a really popular shirt. So since this is a popular one, we'll do this. And what color do we want? You know what? I am feeling this isn't that big of a deal. We're going to do olive today. So, and then once you have your color selected, select product, and then this will automatically update. So now what we're going to do, and if you want to change those colors, you can just go back over here and do that, and it'll do that for you. Or if you want to change products, everything you need is on this left-hand side. And so we have a couple different things over here that we can do. We have artwork, which you can do this, select print location, we'll get into that. If you want to add text, you can do that. Now, if you have your own image that you want to do, this is where you click. You just click Upload Image. You upload either that JPEG, PNG, I think you can even do bitmap or several other different file types that you can do. And then that will just automatically place that in there. And that's really nice to use names and numbers if this is for a team or anything like that. So let's go ahead. Let's just start with some artwork. And let's check out some design ideas. So say I want to do a fundraiser. We're going to click on this, and maybe it's for my community. Great, so let's take a look here. Oh, we're going to have a block party. Why not? Perfect. So this, you can resize by grabbing these corners here. And arrange it anywhere. And so you can see too, let's make this a little bit smaller. Have it over here. Well, that's kind of a weird spot to have it. Maybe you want it there, maybe not. But say you want it this size, but we want it center. Well, if you do this, not that. Sorry. Oop, not that either. See, let's do undo. Great. Select all that. There we go. So if you just get one of these, you need to click and drag your box over. Select all of it, you'll see this blue box, and then you can shrink it. So anyway, say it's right here, but say I want this centered. Bam! See that line? That line lets you know that it is centered. Perfect, it's in the center, but you know what? I want to make this a little bit bigger. So there we go. But now we have Sloan's Lake. Well, we live in Abilene, so I don't really know of a Sloan's Lake in Abilene. But let's change this to, I don't know, Rose Park block party. So I type it into here, right here. If I want to change the color of it, I can. Spacing, maybe I want to change the font. We have several different fonts loaded, into our design studio, an outline. The text shape, if you want it to be curved or anything like that, you can select that there. If say you just, you like this is good, but we need to nudge it up or we need to nudge it down, left, right, whatever you need to do is there. And so the other cool thing about the Design Studio is that it shows you how many colors are in your design and what colors those are. This is really important because obviously this affects cost. So say, this is good. I'm fine with a 3-color olive canvas shirt. We have our Rose Park block party happening right now. But you know what? Maybe I want to do something else. I want to put something on the back. Okay, well, you go to select print location. We'd move over to our back. Let's just do text. We'll just add some text into here. I'll kind of resize this down. Let's select a different color here. Let's use one of the reds from the front, right? And then let's type in Rose Park Block Party 2017. Great. And we'll resize this down a little. Get that center. Perfect. Okay, well that looks pretty good. But I may want to change this up a little bit. Let's change our category back to modern. There, that way it matches the front. I think it was a modern 9. Perfect. Even better. And you can see here in the font that there are different categories that you can choose from. So great. So this looks good, but you know what? I want to have a little bit of an image on the back. So we'll go to artwork. Let's do clip art this time. And let's type in party. Oh, a bunch of party elements came up. Well, here's our banner from before, some balloons. That's cool. But maybe that's not really, don't like any of those outdoors because it's going to be outside. Let's see what we get here. Arrows are hipster and cool. Those are in. Bear marks, nifty. No mountains in Texas, so we won't do those. Let's see. What else is a block party element? What about a BBQ? Perfect. Let's just throw this guy onto here. Super tasty. Perfect. And so this looks good, but now I have a 4-color back, which maybe I don't want to have a 3-color front and a 4-color back. That might seem a little excessive. So I'll click this. Let's take out the white here, and you can see that I removed the white from my grill. And maybe I want to change, what's this? EE 7700. So let's change this to orange. We'll change this to orange. Oh, now it's only a 2-color back. Well, that black doesn't really show up as well as I want it to. So let's take that and let's make it white. Well, that might not look as good. Let's make it gray. There. Gray looks pretty good. Or even better yet, why not a red grill? No, the red grill doesn't work. We'll do charcoal gray. I guess that kind of looks like black. 80% black. Nope, that looks worse. We'll just stick with black. That looks good right there. Okay, so once we have our shirt figured out, we have our 3-color front and our 2-color back, and you know what? This looks great. Wonderful. Maybe we want to take this blue though. Sky blue, or what kind of, we got the red tea red. Tell you what, let's change this up a little bit just to make it jive. Change our orange to red tea red, and let's change this to sky blue. Perfect. For the sake of this video, we will leave it like this. So once you have this figured out, there's a couple different things you can do. You can select get a quote, save and share, or check out. So with our Design Studio, what these options means is basically save and share is you would click this, you would enter in your email address, and then you could send it to a friend or maybe somebody else on your committee or whoever you would need to show this to, just to say, hey, does this look good to you? Is this what we want? All those fun details that go into ordering a shirt. If you select get a quote, again, you'll use your email, and then you can just select how many sizes you would want, what kind of shirt you would want. We can go ahead and select on that. So, say you're going to need, for this block party, 50 smalls, 100 medium, 100 large, 100 extra large, and maybe 52 X's. That's a big block party. We live in Abilene. So then it shows you the product, Bella Canvas, unisex jersey, short sleeve shirt, colors olive. You're getting 400 shirts with a 3-color back and or 3-color front, 2-color back, nothing on the sleeve, no names and numbers, update quote, calculating, and it gives you're going to pay $8.97 a shirt, 97 cents a shirt, and then here is your total. And if you want to just buy now, everything looks great, you can click this buy now button, or you can select this quote, send it to people, continue designing. If you want to go back, you have that option, save and share. And so that's really pretty much about it. If you guys have any questions, like I said, my name is Brock. I'm the art director here at Levrets Inc. Custom Screen Printing. You can email me at brock@leveretsinc.com, or you can call us anytime, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, 325-677-4347. Be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, all that good stuff. And thank you guys so much for watching and reading our blog and supporting us. We love our community, and we can't wait to share more fun tips with you. Never stop creating. Have a good one.